Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are healthy and hearty. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 9 on the topic paragraph. I am repeating, today our topic is paragraph discussion. Students, this is lecture number 6 and homework number will be also 6. So dear students, for today's class, please take your notebook and writing elements. I am going to discuss about paragraph and later I will provide you homework. So let's start. Our first paragraph is environment pollution. So students, do you know what is environment pollution? It has negative impact in our everyday life. Now I will tell you about environment pollution. The surroundings in which a person, animal or plant lives is called environment. There are many elements in our environment. Air, water, soil, plants, animals, etc. are such elements. So air, water, soil, plants, elements all are included in our environment. They are essential for the environment as well as human beings. These elements should be sound for our sound living. But when they are polluted and their essential balance is disrupted, it is known as environmental pollution. In many places in our country, the environment has become extremely polluted. We ourselves are responsible for this severe pollution. So no one is responsible for this except us. We are responsible for this situation for environment pollution because anyhow we are polluting our environment. Industries and factories emit huge amount of smoke, gases and fume. Motor vehicles also emit large amount of smoke and gases. All this pollute air seriously, and polluted air is very harmful for us. So if we pollute the air, it will be harmful for us. Water is polluted due to dumping of industrial waste and by chemical fertilizers and insecticides. Besides, people cut down trees at random. As we are cutting down trees without any necessity, it will affect negatively in our environment. Due to indiscriminate use of vehicle horns, loudspeakers, mic, etc., sound is polluted. All these cause environmental pollution. Consequently, men are becoming sick, animals and fishes are dying, global warming is increasing, polar ice caps are melting, frequent floods are occurring, and so on. So for environment pollution, we are facing such problem including melting, frequent floods and occurring, and so on. We all should be aware of this harmful pollution and take effective measures to change it. So it is we who have to take necessary steps to prevent environment pollution, and then we can live our life. Now students, we will discuss about load shedding. Load shedding is another daily problem of our life. We can think our life without electricity, but load shedding hampers our daily life. The term load shedding refers to suspension of electricity on certain lines for short or long time. Load shedding happens when the demand is greater than the generation. There are many reasons for load shedding. The insufficient production of electricity is the main reason of it. So what is the main reason behind load shedding? The insufficient production of electricity is the main reason of load shedding. Misuse and illegal connection of electricity are the other reasons of it. It occurs mostly at night because the demand of electricity is more than in the daytime. The bad effects of load shedding are beyond description. Load shedding causes unbearable torture on the people belonging to all walks of life, especially during summer. So in the time of summer, people used to suffer much than other time. But the sufferings of the parents and the students bear description. Students sit idle in the dirt, closing their books, especially before their exam. So when it is the exam time for our students, our parents are worried about their daughters or sons because students used to sit idly in the dark time. Domestic life becomes painful. The housewives crop in the darkness in the kitchen. Mills and factories come to a standstill, incurring huge amount of national loss. So, load shedding hampers productivity. Besides, shops, markets, and other establishments become seriously affected by it. In addition, due to load shedding, foods kept in the refrigerator get rotten and the commodities preserved in the cold storages get spoiled. More power stations should be established. The sooner the problem is solved, the better for both individual and national life. So if we are able to reduce or prevent load shedding, we can individually lead our life happy, and also the national life will be happy. The students, look here, I have given some more topics as paragraph, including climate change, uses and abuses of using Facebook, traffic jam, life of a farmer, or rickshaw puller. Students, along with environment pollution and load shedding, you have to take preparation for your upcoming examination. Now, your homework will be paragraph traffic jam. Students, you have to do your homework traffic jam as paragraph, and you know your lecture number is 6 and homework number is 6. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.